Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. After so many days, I know I am uploading a video, but let's get back with nouns number. In the previous video, I had taught 6 rules regarding singular and plural. Today, I will be teaching rule number 7. If you have not watched my part 1 video, please watch it. Now, seventh rule is nouns end in F or FE form plural by adding S. Now, it is not necessary that always noun ending with F or FE we have to cut and make it VES. It is not necessary. It depends on the noun which is there. For example, CHIEF chief. For example, CHIEF chief. Now it is not always necessary that we have to cut F and add VES. No. Now there are some nouns that you need to remember that we need to add only S at the end and not to cut F and FE and put VES. CHIEF, so CHIEFS, this is plural, chief, chiefs. CLIFF, 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 cliffs. So this is singular, this is plural. Not always we have to cut F and add VES. Okay, so please remember that not always we need to cut F and add VES. There are some nouns that you need to remember. We just have to put S at the end so that it becomes plural. Third, PROOF, proof. So PROOF, PROFF, proofs, proof, proofs. Gulf, gulfs. See, for example, if I write GULF and I cut F and I add GULVES, gulfs. So this is wrong. You come to know that the spelling is only wrong. So you will identify that whether we have to cut F and add VES or whether we need to just add S. So like this you can do, or else you need to remember some words where only S will come at the end. Now rule number 8, same. Nouns end in O form plural by adding S. Now I had taught you that when the noun end with O, we have to put ES to make it plural. But again, it is not necessary. There are some nouns that you need to remember that only S will come at the end. For example, bamboo. So bamboos. Photo, photos. Video, videos. Piano, pianos. Here you can see only S is there at the end. Again, like here you can see VIDEO, VIDEOES. This is the wrong spelling. Video is no. So you can write it or you can remember the words that here only S will come at the end. So please remember rule number 7, F or FE you need to put S. It is not necessary to always cut. Here also you need to remember if O is there, it is not necessary we put ES. There are some words there only we have to put S at the end. Now rule number 9 is what you need to change internal vowels. That means here S will not come, but even though the noun is plural. MAN men, MEN men, men, men. This is plural. Woman, woman. Child, children. Mouse, mice. Person, people. Ox, oxen. Tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Cactus, cacti. Okay, now this is you need to remember that here S is not there at the end, but even though these are plural, this is singular. Ox, singular. Oxen, plural. So here S will not come. So you have to remember this rule. We have to just change internal vowels. Now rule number 10 is what? Singular and plural are same. You need to remember your singular is also same, plural is also same. Ship, ship. Deer, deer. Hair, hair. Aircraft, aircraft. Species, species. Now this is the 11th rule that you need to remember is plural form but take in singular. That means S will be there but it will be in singular form, not in plural form. For example, physics. Now we always say physics, it is a subject, it is always singular, not plural. Even though S है, but वो हमेशा singular ही रहेगा, plural नहीं रहेगा. Second is news. Now news अपन बोलेंगे, new तो नहीं बोलते, news. News ही बोलते, but it is always singular. Even though S is there, but वो हमेशा singular रहता है. Mathematics, again it is a subject, वो हमेशा singular ही रहेगा. Economics, billiards, athletics, ethics, darts, ये always singular form में ही रहेगा even though s is there at the end. Now rule number 12 is what? It will always be plural. No matter what, it will always be plural. The noun will always be plural. Trousers, ये कभी singular नहीं होता, ये हमेशा plural रहते हैं. Trousers, jeans, goggles, children, steps, savings, stairs, wages, goods, braces, glasses. ओके ये हमेशा प्लूरल फॉर्म में ही रहते. आई होप यू लाइक माई वीडियो. थैंक यू. बाय बाय. टेक केयर.